AIDS is a short for acquired immune deficiency syndrome. This is a medical condition caused by a virus called HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. The human body is protected from the disease by white blood cells, whose job is to recognize and destroy the germs that enters the body. These white blood cells plays an important role in the body's immune system. HIV kills white blood cells and weakens the immune system. This means that the people is affected by HIV get illness such as pneumonia more easily than the healthy people and that they do not recover so well. HIV lives in the blood. It is spread by sexual intercourse with an infected person or even by injecting drugs with a needle that an infected person has used. People can also catch HIV from receiving a transfusion of blood already infected with the disease. Although today most donated blood is checked for HIV, you cannot catch HIV by breathing the same air as someone with the virus or by touching them. Scientists have developed treatments such as AZT, an anti-HIV drug, which can help you to slow down the spread of virus, although there is still no cure for AIDS. It's possible to reduce the spread of HIV through information and education. And even still now, scientists are working hard to find the vaccine to protect people against HIV. Virus was first recognized in the year of 1981 in USA. It has since been reported in nearly every country in the world and is more common in poor countries with a bad health care.